Stop trusting your passwords. In 2026, a password isn't a shield, it's a trap. As a fraud analyst, I see accounts drained daily because people rely on software alone. Today, I'm showing you how to turn these physical keys into an unhackable vault. Let's go. Most people ask, why do I need two? Here's the technical truth. Your security is only as strong as your most accessible device. You need the USB-A for your legacy workstation and the USB-C for your mobile life. If you only secure one, you've left the back door wide open. This bundle ensures total compatibility across every port of your digital life. First, we're killing SMS and app-based 2FA. Standard Authenticator apps store your seeds on your phone's OS, which can be compromised. By using the Yubico Authenticator, those codes are stored inside this hardware. No key? No code. It's the ultimate defense against SIM swapping and remote hijacking. Next, we're moving to a passwordless future. Using the FIDO2/WebAuthn protocol, you can set a hardware-level PIN. When you log in, you don't type a password that a keylogger can steal. You just insert the key, enter your local PIN, and touch the sensor. Even if a hacker has your password from a leak, they are still locked out. Here is the professional secret: 1 is none, and 2 is 1. You must register both keys in this bundle at the same time. One stays on your keychain, the other goes into your physical vault at home. If you lose one, you aren't locked out of your life. You have an immediate backup that keeps you in control. Security isn't an accident, it's a choice. Don't wait until your bank account is the next drainer story. Grab the Yubico Security Key Bundle using the official link in the description. Lock your vault today. Stay safe.